we're now getting into a little bit of a higher level of coding by
That's right.
inserting information, deleting information, and using the function cards.
Exactly. So this function card is very powerful.
Yeah.
So actually, this one depends on how to use this card. If you use this card well, then you can reduce the number of cards. Otherwise, you have to use a lot of cards though.
Right.
Okay, yes. So this one is a strong recommend to reduce number of cards. That means you can create and you can think. You can increase your logistics. Okay.
And essentially, a function card's like a memory.
Oh yes, exactly. So we can save the lot of operation card into this function card. So let's try to use the other cards I show you.
Okay.
So you remember when you use the sound card, how can you use the sound card to save the song?
First, you play the song, or click sound.
Yeah, sound card, play the song.
And then play the sound again.
Exactly.
Then you can use that sound card.
Correct. So this one is the method to use the sound card, right? But the sound card is only for the music card. But the function card does not matter.
Right.
You
can save anything.
Correct. You can see that's why I prepared the other cards like music card, angle, drawing, and direction card.
Okay.
Yes. So we can put in all different cards into function card together. So let's try to use only one card for each. Okay?
All right.
Okay. So music. Oh, I just want to touch in here.
Okay.
Okay. So here always no. I want to save.
Right.
So what are we going to do before we use that's why start function and touch and function. That means it's a save.
Okay.
And then when you play these kind of things and then put in the between start and end, and they can play. Okay.
Right. Hello, I'm GENIBOT.
Here, function.
Function 1. Turn left 90. Circle. Move forward. Function 1.
Then you can save these 4 different kinds of card into one function card. Then how to play? Just put in between start and end. Go ahead.
Okay. Start.
Coding start. Function 1. Coding end.
And then 90 degree. And this one's draw circle. And stop. Maybe move forward. Move forward.
Excellent. It worked.
It worked. Yes, of course. So as I told you, if you use this function card well, then you can reduce the number of cards. And also you can mix with other cards together. How? For example, this one is already remember. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I can mix with other cards together. I want to show you. After that, maybe U-turn? Or yes, U-turn.
Yeah, U-turn.
And turn maybe 30 degree. I just want to mix it together. Then turn right. Okay, so you can touch. So hold on, before you touch this card, and you can tell me how it's going to be work.
Okay, it will start. Then it'll do the previous function, which
Means,
was la, turn left, circle, and move forward.
Correct, and then?
And then U-turn, turn left 30, and turn right.
Correct. Go ahead.
So instead of doing only 3 things, it will do 7.
Yes, this is the point.
Coding start. Function 1. U-turn. Turn left. Turn right. Coding end.
Put it out of the way. Oopsie.
And circle. And move forward. You turn. And 30 degree. And turn right. Yes.
Yeah, fantastic.
Good, right? So do you remember we already used the repeat card?
Yes, we did.
Yes, can you find out the repeat card, please? Repeat start and end.
Start and end.
So
Here.
I just want to reduce this chord. And then if I use like this, what happened?
It will repeat the 4 commands from before.
Mm-hmm.
So it will do these 8 times. Or la, turn left, circle, move forward.
And
la,
again.
left, circle, forward.
Yes. Okay, let's do it. I'm gonna do this time. So
Coding start. Repeat start. Function 1. Repeat end. Coding end.
so la, turn right, and the circle. Move forward, and la, turn right, and circle, and move forward. Yes. So depends on you, or depends on the people how to use this kind of card. So this one is very powerful. You can reduce the number of cards. So this one is help kids to think logically.
Right.
Okay, Aaron. So I expect to learn for the next chapter. What are you gonna learn?
In our next chapter, we're going to learn about the star network, which is really an essential for large classrooms.
Oh, so this star network actually our core technology, and this one is world first to move or send the data at the same time with other robots. So I'm gonna show it later.
Excellent.